Okay, so Marin was watching me take my makeup off. And she was drinking Dr. Thunder.
You see it?
Yeah. And the lid fell in the toilet. Yeah. And sort of scary.
I'm not getting it.
How are we gonna get it out? We can't flush it. How are we gonna get it? How?
I don't know.
Marin?
I'm just gonna drink my. Excuse me. Fall over.
She makes me so hyperventilating.
Breathe, Kayla.
Just go over. You know what? Forget you. You're the one who's gonna have to make me get this thing out of the toilet.
Whatever. I did it
Just
when I finish my Dr. Thunder.
She scares me. You're in it. Okay, so she dropped it in the toilet.
You look at him drop this in the toilet. Cause you plucked a root.
She's a freak. It's okay. Anyway.